front suspension. You can see the four-wheel drive axle in there. Follow us on Instagram, HearnAutomotiveReDesign. Quick interior shot here. It's all aluminum interior. Leather seats from the original smart car. Corvette steering column. You can see the four-wheel drive shifter right up there. Give you a closer look at that just a second when I get around that side. Using our Cadillac taillights. And there's the Corvette suspension in the back. See our QA1 coilovers. We've set up our rear-mounted radiator for a better weight distribution with some makeshift hoses for now so it can actually be flexible. And we're still working on that a little bit. And then here's a little bit of a better shot. You can see our Holley computer, Terminator X. We got our wiring all nice and dialed in, tight and clean. Just finishing up the plumbing on our master cylinders from Willwood, dialing in the brakes. Here's a nice driver's position shot. A couple switches for heat and things like that in the interior. And then you got your billet, four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, two-wheel drive shift knob. Keep following for more. I really appreciate all the questions and interest about the all-wheel drive V8 smart car I've been building. It is the first prototype version of the new type of affordable vehicle platform I'm developing. This car has been 99% built by hand and serves as a custom test vehicle for the components and features that the final production version of the platform will have. At this point, everything works fine for a test vehicle as it sits right now. But that being said, the current design of the front end chassis structure is allowing some flex under hard turning maneuvers, and the brakes are a bit weaker than I'm comfortable with. This is why I'm waiting to do any drifting, all-wheel drive launches, or track day videos. I've already completed all the testing this vehicle was built for, and I've started selling the modular drivetrain system it uses. After some things are modified and upgraded, this test vehicle can become a kit car you can all have. Everything developed for R&D costs a small fortune, so one thing I'm doing to make this affordable vehicle platform possible is turning prototypes into products or kits that will help fund the next development phases for the platform. This is one of the many pieces that make up the new approach I'm taking to develop the future of personal transportation. Please help support the development process by utilizing my modular drivetrain and/or 3D scanning and engineering services on your project. Details and alternative contact methods are all on my website. I also wanted to mention that my reverse trike is still for sale if anyone's interested in adding some more excitement to their plans for this spring. You can follow me at HearnAutomotiveReDesign on Facebook and Instagram, or just subscribe here on YouTube to keep up with the behind-the-scenes updates. Partnership/collaboration ideas are always welcome, so feel free to reach out. That's it for this video. Next update's coming soon. Unique automotive innovations to help everyday people try hard.